Hey guys, we're going to read a story called The Bear Hug by Sean Callahan. Every Sunday, Cubby walked to Grandpa Bear's house. "Hi, Grandpa Bear," Cubby said. Grandpa Bear taught little Cubby how to be a bear. They always worked on their growling. Arr! In the spring, Grandpa Bear showed off his fishing technique. "It's all in the wrist," Grandpa Bear said. On summer days, they splashed at the swimming hole. "Look out below," Grandpa bellowed. In the fall, they hunted for food whenever they could find it. "Thanks for the bear claw, Grandpa," Cubby said. In the winter, Grandpa Bear showed Cubby how to hibernate. On rainy days, they looked at snapshots of when Grandpa Bear was a cub. "Wow, that's your grandpa giving you the bear hug," Cubby said. The bear hug. Cubby loved the bear hug. It was the best thing about going to Grandpa Bear's. "Nobody ever gets out of the bear hug," Grandpa Bear warned Cubby. "I'm going to get out," Cubby vowed. "Did you give up?" Grandpa Bear asked. "No," Cubby said. "I'm going to wiggle, wiggle, wiggle my way out." "Do you give up?" Grandpa Bear yelled. "No," Cubby said. "I'm going to wiggle, wiggle, wiggle my way out." They're having fun. "Do you give up now?" whispered Grandpa. "No," Cubby said with a shout. "I'm going to giggle, 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 'cause I'm out." Grandpa Bear moaned. "You got out of the bear hug. How'd you do that?" "Same way as last week," Cubby said. "There's really nothing to it." The end.